This time on Boneyard Revivals, the old Scout gets a wash. It's about time because she's looking a little filthy. After a quick little wash, the interior is way better than what it was before. It's not, as dirty. We can come back in and do a little bit more work, but look at this. The windows are clean. The engine bay's looking pretty good. And man, just the aesthetic of this thing. This thing is just such a looker. It does everything in the right ways. It's just a stunning vehicle the way Eyes on. It really is. This thing is so dang cool. Oh, man. She definitely did deserve a good wash there, so it's good that we got her all washed up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We got a lot of work left to do on this thing. She's going to need some brakes, and then I think we really need to get her out and go wheeling. Get this thing in the element of what she was built to do. So if you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And hey, if you got an old vehicle sitting in a barn, sitting in the shop, and you haven't touched it for a few years, do me a favor, get out there, start wrenching on it. Your dreams won't work unless you do, guys. So get out there, start making some progress on your projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you next time here on Boneyard Revivals. Take care. thing's battered in hell.